Phil, Teresa, the Columbus Police Department gave us their Part 1 crime stats for the last 6 years. Part 1 crimes include homicide, rape, robbery, aggravated assault, burglary, larceny, and theft by taking. Mayor Skip Henderson said he's working overtime to bring a peace of mind to his people. The Columbus Police Department released their quarterly numbers for the last 6 years to News 3, and it shows that crime is down. Mayor Skip Henderson said he knows there's room for improvement.
But we do look at numbers to try to take a look at trends and see where we need to deploy our resources when it comes to policing and when it comes also to crime prevention.
In order to enforce crime prevention, you need officers, an area that the Columbus Police Department is lacking in.
You know, we desperately need to build up the number of officers on the front line. We have to get back to a full complement. We're 90 officers down right now.
Henderson says despite the shortage, he applauds the efforts of the department.
Though, if you look at the numbers, the crime statistic numbers over the last several years, as those numbers have grown in terms of vacancies, we've actually gotten better when it comes to criminal activity. They still do an amazing job. This does not mean we're satisfied with the level, but they still do a great job in the policing activities.
When it comes to his first quarter, Henderson's numbers look good compared to the first quarters over the last 6 years.
The numbers for the first quarter overall are about the same. They're up maybe 1%, and there was a big spike in robberies. I've called the police chief about it just because it looks somewhat unusual. It was about double the number for first quarter of 2018.
Henderson says he's been in contact with the school board, the crime prevention board, and the police chief to see how they can get ahead of the crime. Mayor Henderson said he does plan to implement the summer work program to lower the amount of juveniles committing crimes. He understands that crime is a societal issue, but he hopes that he can change our society. That's how he plans to keep the confidence and trust of the Columbus folks.